Macy, mommy have a baby on mommy's tummy.
No.
Why?
Why don't want a new baby?
It's getting full. Here, I cannot sleep all in the playground.
It's full here on the room.
Yeah.
Then we buy new room.
Yeah.
Mommy have a baby. New
What? Go away. Bye.
Mommy have a new baby on my tummy.
Stop it. I want to play with that.
No.
Yeah.
I have a new baby on mommy's tummy.
Stop it.
Why?
You go away now.
Why?
Want to play with daddy.
You want to have a new sister?
No!
Why?
It's already one baby here.
Who?
Look.
I need one more.
Only two, okay? Not five. Like this.
I want 5.
Like that.
I want
So
5 babies.
I cannot sleep.
Why? Why you cannot sleep?
Because a lot of babies die.
Huh?
I cannot sleep. I'll be scared at the dark.
You sleep with mom.
You buy with flashlight will be a rainbow one.
Ewan ko, iba na yung sinasabi.
Sorry.